Introduction to Guided Prompts in Journey app.
Guided prompts in the Journey app are designed to help you reflect more deeply on your daily experiences. By activating these features, you can nurture your mental wellness and build a regular journaling habit. Let's explore how to enable and customize guided prompts so your wellness reflections are more meaningful and effective each day.
Accessing guided prompts in Journey.
To begin, open the Journey app and tap on the Settings or Profile icon. Look for an option called Guided Prompts or Journaling Prompts within the menu. This section allows you to view the available prompt categories, activate daily reminders, and set your preferred prompt format, personalized for your unique wellness journey.
Activating guided prompts.
Once you're in the Guided Prompt section, simply toggle the switch to enable prompts. You can choose to receive them at specific times or let the app send them randomly throughout the day. These gentle reminders encourage you to pause, reflect, and write, helping to establish a consistent daily reflection habit.
Customizing your prompt experience.
The Journey app allows you to tailor prompts to your personal needs. Select from categories like gratitude, mindfulness, self-discovery, or stress management. You can also adjust the frequency, daily, weekly, or custom intervals. Some versions even let you write your own prompts, providing full control over your reflective practice.
Enhancing daily wellness reflection.
By setting up guided prompts, you transform routine journaling into a powerful wellness tool. These customized questions help you focus, express emotions, and track progress over time. Embrace the prompts as opportunities for growth and connect more deeply with your thoughts, feelings, and goals each day.